we gotta talk about something huge that's happening with Zebec and the price action. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. My name is Crypto Millie, and every day I talk about crypto. Now, the one thing that we talked about in the live stream is how Zebec just printed multiple buy signals on our indicator while looking to break through resistance and start a new leg up. Of course, this is the weekly chart, so a lot of the action, if we continue to have a bullish closing, will happen next week with a confirmation candle. But we've been getting these buy signals printed, fighting resistance with the Zebec token. The one thing that's kind of holding us up is the overall sentiment and momentum of the cryptocurrency space, as Zebec really hasn't got back above our ultimate RSI line just yet, though the stock RSI has reset. What I'm paying attention to is the number one token that handles the Solana ecosystem, and that's, of course, Solana. And you can see here, guys, Solana on the weekly is bullish, like an insane trend to the upside, looking to enter price discovery, which is all-time highs. I think Solana gets there if altcoins continue to push up. Why I believe Solana is going to get there, because not only are we bullish on our momentum indicators, but if we take a look at Sol dominance, it's bullish. Also using the moving averages as support and the Sol BTC chart, right, which is the hardest chart for any altcoin to be bullish on, is also bullish. Two wick candles looking to hold support at the 50-day moving average while being above our orange line on the ultimate RSI. So if Solana ecosystem continues to thrive, a token that has kind of like a meme community like Zebec, but a strong utility use case, very compliant to laws, right? And most importantly, generates revenue. I think that this project is prime to disrupt a trillion dollar industry. Now, I'm not here to predict how high the market cap will go. It's already sitting at a $356 million market cap. I believe a 10 to 20x is still in play for Zebec tokens, because I like tokens that's not above a $1 billion market cap. I talk about this a little bit in the Jasmine video. Like, you know, Jasmine is hanging around 1 billion. So you'll probably have to put in a little bit more money if you're trying to get what you're trying to get out this specific cycle. Now, when I speak, I'm speaking about this specific cycle. Yes, Zebec is a token that you can hold for the next 5 to 10 years. And if, payroll translates to Web3, this will be amazing, right? And people can even use the crypto cards, even if you're not using it for payroll services. So just say you want to have a crypto card where you can use your cryptocurrency in the real world. Well, you can do that with the Zebec technology. So this is something that transcends crypto and also onboards new people into crypto by giving them an off ramp to use their crypto in real world. This is why people compare this project here to XRP. Now, the FUD that I usually get when I make a Zebec video is that, oh, the team is dumping, oh, the wallets. Yeah, you can go to CoinMarketCap. All right, simply just go do your research, go to CoinMarketCap and click on token unlocks, and you can see for yourself when the token unlocks are for the Zebec token. And if it's not something for you, then it's not for you. It clearly shows you October 15th, November 15th, December 15th. It shows you the token locks, right? You got 6 more, 6 out of 6 left. If this is something that you don't believe you can make money because the token unlocks, move on. I'm gonna tell you this from experience, right? The whole token supply thing is overrated. It really only matters if we're about to enter a bear market, or if you're in a bear market, because people have a different mindset. People are trying to extract their money out of crypto. They're not trying to multiply their money. Right now, the mindset that people are adopting in crypto is, I want to multiply. I want to make my money make me more money, right? So to me, I'm not focusing on the token unlocks. And again, with something like Zebec, when you want to say, oh, the team is selling, the team is doing this, guys, we're talking about a $1 trillion industry. How do you expect a platform to build out and, right, a working application, a working marketplace if they don't invest back into the product. That's common sense. So no, I'm not worried about the team selling, and I'm not worrying about the supply, because frankly, I'm working to get what I can get out of this specific cycle. Now, you do what you're going to do. I'm not telling you not to hold and not to be a committed community member. That's just not how I operate. If you watch my videos, you can see I'm focused more on the charts and what I'm seeing as far as the macro, right? Because I want to know if we're going to have altcoin season this cycle. If we ain't, it is what it is. Then we're going to probably prepare, go to the drawing board, and make educated decisions from there, right? In a strategy. But I hear so many people, like, it's good to be cautious. It's good to be concerned. It's good to go over tokenomics. It's good to read on-chain data. I get it, guys. But you also don't want to kind of like trick yourself out of investment. Overthink it to where you just so overthinking it that you miss out on an opportunity. That's all I'm saying. So again, Zebec just printed some buy signals. Solana looks good. Crypto total and the total 3 looks good. The only thing we need is Bitcoin to get back above our ultimate RSI. And if Bitcoin can reclaim 120 and go higher from there, the entire ecosystem is going to work as a flywheel as that liquidity rotates into our altcoins. And the strongest altcoins that have been proven to have strength in this market, like Zebec, will fucking explode. It's your boy Crypto Millie, guys. Let me know what you think about Zebec. This is kind of like what I'm seeing as far as a TA perspective. Let me know what you think, though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.